Hello guys! Welcome back! Today, we will study how to find the volume of a cube and a rectangular prism. In our previous lesson, we learned how to find the area of composite figures. I will just post the link below inside the description box. That can be your reference to determine the difference in finding the area of a certain figure and in finding the volume of a certain object. Let us study the difference between the two in finding the area and in finding the volume of a certain figure. Here is the difference between the two. With respect to dimensions, we find area in two-dimensional figures and we find volume in three-dimensional figures. Example, no? Find the area of this rectangle. This is a two-dimensional figure. We have a length and a width. In finding the area, length times width, 4 times 2, if the unit is centimeter, 8 square centimeters is the area of this rectangle, no? And with respect to unit, square centimeter ang ginagamit. Sa volume naman, on the other hand, is cubic centimeter if the unit is centimeter. Halimbawa, no, para mas maintindihan nyo, ito ang ating 1 square centimeter. Ito ang hinahanap nating area. Ang width niya ay 2 centimeters, 1, 2, at ang length niya ay 4 centimeters. Hatiin natin. Ayan, ano? 1, 2, yun ang width niya, 2 centimeters. Ang length niya ay 4 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ngayon, ilang 1 square centimeter ang papasok dito sa ating rectangle? Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square centimeters. Meaning, 8 ganito kaliit ang pwedeng magkasya dito sa ating rectangle. Sa makatuwid, kapag ka area, square centimeter. This is 1 square centimeter. The area of this figure is 8. 8 ganito ang kakasya, 8 square centimeters. On the other hand, sa volume, example, ito ang ating kahon. This is a rectangular prism, no? Kahon yan. Ngayon, itong kahon, ang hahanapin na natin dito ay volume. Halimbawa, ito ang ating cube, no? Ang cube na to, ang isang side niya, ang sukat ay, halimbawa lang, 1 inch. So, ibig sabihin, kung cube ito, lahat ng sides niya ay 1 inch. Since this is a cube, this is 1 cubic inch, kung inch ang ating unit, no? O ngayon, ito ang ating rectangular prism. Itinatanong ang volume ng rectangular prism. Ano ang volume nito? Ibig sabihin, kung inch ang unit na gagamitin natin, if this is 1 cubic inch, ilang cubic inches ang maipapasok nyo sa loob ng kahon para makita natin ang kanyang volume. Yan ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Now that you know the difference between the two, let us now begin. Let us find the volume of this cube and this rectangular prism. No? Ang tatandaan nyo lang ay ang kanyang formula. Kapag ka ang hahanapin ay volume ng rectangular prism, unahin natin ang rectangular prism. Kapag ka ang hahanapin ay volume niya, length times width times height. No? Okay. If this is our rectangular prism, the length is 5 centimeters. Ang height naman niya, yung taas, 2 centimeters at yung kanyang width ay 6 centimeters. Now, volume is length times width times height. Mamaya na natin isulat ang unit na centimeter, no? Length. The length is 5. Lapit natin ang makita nyo. Times width. The width is 6 times the height is, yung height, yung taas. The height is 2 centimeters. I-multiply nyo lang yung tatlo, makikita nyo na ang volume ng rectangular prism. 5 times 6 is 30, times 2 is 60. Therefore, the volume of this rectangular prism is 60. Ano ang ating unit? Ang unit natin, since volume ang pinahahanap, ang unit natin ay cubic centimeter. Sulat ko dito para mas makita nyo. The volume is 60 cubic centimeters. Cubic na siya. The exponent is 3 because we are talking of a volume. Ngayon naman, dito tayo sa cube. Find the volume of this cube. Kung given ang isang side na 3 meters, tandaan nyo, 3 meters, ano? Isa lang ang given, isang side. Makukuha na natin ang volume. Since this is a cube, all sides are equal. Kung 3 ang ating length, 3 din ang ating width, at yung kanyang height ay 3 din. Pare-parehas kasi this is a cube. All sides are equal. In finding its volume, we use volume is equal to S cube. Ano ibig sabihin ng S cube? V or volume is equal to S times S times S. O volume now is equal to 3, no? 3 cube or volume is equal to 3 times 3 times 3. O volume is equal to 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. And the unit is cubic meter, no? And the exponent is 3. And then the volume of this cube is 27 cubic meters. Ayan. Magbibigay ako sa inyo ng exercises, no? Ipopost ko na lang dyan. Makikita nyo sa pinapanood nyo ang ating exercises. Find the volume of each figure posted. Ano? Yan sa pinapanood nyo ngayon. Ngayon, kung makukuha nyo yung tamang sagot ng bawat isa, just post your answers in the comment section below this video. At re-replyan ko kayo kung tama o mali ang nakuha nyo mga sagot na volume. Muli po, maraming salamat. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!